Yeah, today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of jungle perch fishing. I just got back from a trip, so I thought I'd get all the clips together, make a little video. Yeah, caught a couple nice fish just in a local creek, so a bit of fun with Seth. But yeah, I won't do so much more talking, we'll just get into the clips.
On?
Yep. Go cast. Oh, there's a bigger one behind it. There's a bigger one. Right on it. Look at them all. Holy shit. Get it on my guy. Oh. No, just go. Just. Oh. You see how many's there?
Yeah, sorry.
No, you're right. He's gonna use the current. He's fully running at you. He's fully running at you.
Right?
You reckon you can get it in between those trees?
Yeah.
God, he's a good one. Oh, and he spat it. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot about that. I don't know. Not with this guy though.
Not with him.
No, look how much store. Oh, I foul hooked him, that's why I was going so hard. Not really though.
When you just throw the GoPro or?
I'll just throw him back.
Oh,
bro, you see what I was doing? I was literally speed winding it like as fast as I could. He just came up and whacked it. Oh!
Oh my god.
Big.
Big.
You gotta go down. You gotta go all the way down.
Oh, come on.
Here, drop your bag. You might have to swim. Keep tension. With your line. Keep tension. Drop your bag. Go for a swim. And swim down with them. I got your bag. It better not be like 30. Is he still on?
Yeah. Oh, he's getting this on video.
Yeah. Just take him across. I haven't seen him yet. Oh.
Is he not that big?
No, he's a good one. Oh shit, yeah. Just go straight up on the bank. I'm gonna have to swim across as well. Just drag him up, you're good. Yeah, I got you. Go, walk up on, come over here. Come over here, there's a little stream.
Well, how big do you reckon he is?
36. Just.
Oh, really?
Oh, I don't know if it would have saved, but I filmed Seth landing this fish.
Did ya?
Last one. Hopefully it saved.
Fuck, my foot is stuck, dude. One sec. Oh. Alright, he's there.
36.
Oh, no, 37.
Please. Alright, hold him out straight.
Oh, he bit me.
Hold him out. Oh.
Good dog. On the kicker curly.
Nice one.
Good one.
That's where he launched. Oh. Oh my god. I'm rubbing on something. Watch out.
I got a little one.
Yeah, well, I have a big one and I'm on something. I gotta go in. Yes, I'm on, but I'm on. Oh.
That's not my fault.
Oh, wait, I think this is big, but I'm rubbing on something.
Come and help.
I don't know how big though, so don't get your hopes upset. They might be small, but... Alright, you might need to hold my rod in my bag.
Yep.
Just keep tension for me, eh?
Yeah.
No, because I don't know how far back he is. Oh my god, he's far back.
Must be strong.
It's just the current, I can't fight the current. Oh, I feel it. Free spool?
Sorry.
I feel it, I have hold of him.
Small.
He's like 30.
Oh shit. Losing the bag, losing the bag. Decent.
What he got me on? That's why I couldn't move him. Alright, the hook's coming out, mister. Don't start flopping.
Come on, decent. Got him on video. I can't blast ball on.
That's 30. He's keen to go. Thank you, Seth.
Oh, and he's got a good one.
Is it good? No, it's not good.
Come on, I would have been happy with that.
Yeah, I'm happy with it, but it's not big.
Gonna grab my lure, right?
Yeah, you good.
Holy shit, it's huge.
Another nice little perch. Good little perch.
That was nice.
Sorry, fish. It's cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, I just caught a fish, so.
Oh, we're trying to run a boat. I messed up the pass.
Unless you think I should have this pool.
You know, there.
Oh!
Good one?
No, but he's cute. Yeah, it's a fish. Wait up. I wasn't expecting that, eh?
Yeah.
Wait up for me, 'cause there might be a big dog in there. Nice JP. Just go in there again.
Yeah, cool.
Can I go to the left?
Oh.
You can say no.
Yeah, go.
Oh! Stick him. Yeah, going.
Big. I lost the big one.
Oh, you got swamped! You got swamped! You got swamped!
Fuck this little fish.
Oh, you got swamped. That was like a 35 and you just got swamped.
Oh, the other one?
It was like 35. It was a good fish.
Fuck you, dude.
Oh, that's a little bit funny, but very sad.
Well, I probably had him hooked as well.
Just walk easy, eh? Someone cast that.
Yep. Surely. Ooh. The one?
I don't know.
Oh shit, my bad.
Nah, he's not that good.
I ate it like a fucking fake.
Oh, yeah, he's a good one. He's a nice one. Photo worthy.
Yeah. Should I just go to your left? Or just try and get back there? No, but Joshy,
Oh, yeah, he's good.
great one.
Oh my god.
Giving you some pepper. You want me to? Josh, that's a really big fish. Come on.
He's 30. 32, 33. Ooh. Yeah, I got him.
Whoa.
Are you good?
I won't even touch him because I don't want to.
Ah, you might have to
grab
touch
leader?
him. No, don't grab lead up here. Hold my rod. He really wants to swim upstream, eh?
Nice. It's an awesome perch.
Yeah, he's a bit bigger than I thought.
Chuck him on the mat.
Yep.
That's a place to mat him. I'm just going to put your rod
On the.
in there.
Yep, perfect.
Not even in anywhere.
I'm calling 34.
33. You said 34.
That's 34.
Oh, not bad, dude. 34. Grab the dog. Butterfingers.
Nice little JP.
Oh, awesome looking photo. Get him in there.
Release him the back.
Underwood.
You let me go. I'm just gonna release him straight away.
Okay.
Oh, good man. Good stuff. I'm gonna go underneath you.
Whoa, why is there so much slack line?
Oh, good one. Hook him. You're on. He's small. Steph's fish. I'll hold it.
Whoa.
Sorry, mate. Watch out. Cast on the backside. Backside. So go easy. Oh,
Oi. That was cool. How cool was that?
it's a good one too.
Holy shit.
Ah, he's like.
Doubled that. Fuck. Give him a little rub.
Nice little perch. He's short, but he's very thick. Chuck him back.
Get him in. He's cooling it off though.
Yes. Oh. Am I recording? Oh, look at the other ones. It's- oh.
Good one.
Nah, but it's nice.
They're finally eating.
Double ups. Oh. You reckon? Oh, never mind.
Big one?
No. He's good.
Double up, baby.
Couple of double ups. Said they got the tiny one. We'll get him back.
First cast as well. Dog act.
That's the one. We'll go underwater. Double underwaters, eh? Oh, I shouldn't have stood in. Oh, lady. Don't worry, guys. He swam off. He swam off. He swam off.